This is my short review of a little Tikes basketball inflatable hoop. Hoop it up, play center. On Slickdeals, it was for $29.97 at Walmart. Really, this thing isn't. I wouldn't recommend it at $29.97, and I'll show you why. So here it comes with 20 soft air fixed balls. I don't know where they went, but they're like this size.
And this side.
And then it comes with the 3 bonus balls. You can see over here. It's nice and cushioned. Yeah, these balls are probably the greatest thing about this. And so here is the little Tikes thing. It's about a good size for a 6 or 7-year-old. And so the reason why I don't recommend it is a few points of failure. Well, you can blow it up. You blow this left side, then this right side, this piece, and maybe that back side, top piece. So it's about 7 pieces you have to blow up. This is the hardest piece. It deflates instantly.
And this side has a hole.
Yeah, that orange piece has a hole for it.
No, a hole like over here. That one is deflating.
Yeah, it's deflating over there. So you can see I had my own balls, and let's use the ball that they gave us. It's not very exciting to play. Luckily I made it. So kind of sad, even if you can get it blown up. My biggest concern is after a week, it actually popped a hole over here. 2 holes, so I used a tire repair kit to repair this with some rubber cement. But another thing that might fail is over here. You can see I taped this side off because it was already pulling and tearing. But if it tears over here, the orange from the blue, pretty much you can't fix it with a patch kit easily because it's like torn on a place where it easily comes apart. So you can see a Mickey Mouse something here just to get it to sort of work. Not exactly safe. I was planning to put something over it. But still, this isn't good at all. So, as I mentioned before, the hoop, there's not too many of these. Even though it says 20 balls, lots of balls, but there's not too many. You'll have to add more balls. These nice balls are pretty nice though. And then you have to deal with getting holes. So this is my fault. Not my fault. This was, yeah, I don't know how these holes happened, but
It was me and Dean's fault.
no, I think this one was you guys because they'd walk over and it'd slowly pull apart and tear. So if you're okay with things tearing and repairing, I would recommend this maybe at $15, but at $30 it might be a little too expensive.